Thunderstorm Watch number 492 remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Lake, Livingston, and Will. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Central DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Solmanock, or near Sandwich, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. The strongest winds are moving toward Hinckley, Caneville, and Sugar Grove. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, DeKalb, Bartlett, Plainfield, St. Charles, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Yorkville, Campton Hills, Minooka, Plano, Sandwich, Shabbona, South Elgin, Montgomery, North Aurora, and Sugar Grove. Including the following interstates: Interstate 80 between mile markers 120 and 122. Interstate 88 between mile markers 92 and 120. This includes Aurora University, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, Kane County Cougars Ballpark, and Waubonsee Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe